In this tutorial, we're going to talk about turning right minor to major. Turning right is what you will do when asked by the tester. Normally the tester will say something like, at the end of the road, turn right, or at the junction ahead, turn right. As you will see, this is a stop junction, so we stop fully. So how do we turn right minor to major? Turn right routine is mirror, signal, speed, gear, and position. Mirror, rear view mirror, and right mirror. Signal, signal right. Speed, slow down to suit the situation. Gear, select the gear that suits your speed. Position, move to the right position of your lane, just left of the center line of the road. Okay. At the junction ahead, turn right. So, mirrors, rear view mirror, right mirror, and signal. Slow down and position to the turning right position. Observation. Look right, left, looks okay, right again, and move checking again left as we cross. Turning to the correct position, and you're again driving straight or following the road ahead. So top view. As you can see in this view, you move out and then turn, ending up in the correct position for driving straight again. Something I'd like to say about observation. As you can see, observation is not done quickly. It's done correctly. Take the time to assess the situation. Please note, you will need to be aware of the junction and the need to stop. Remember, you only turn right when you have right of way and it is safe to do so. Don't be too far to the right, you only need to be beside the line. Common issues: turning the wheel before you move and timing of observation. When safe to go, move before you turn your steering. And remember, your destination is back in the correct position for driving straight or following the road ahead. Also, timing of observation can be an issue. So after you stop at the junction, take the time to look correctly. Don't rush the observation. Once you know it's safe to progress onto the major road, do so. For the safety of all road users, never continue onto a major road without knowing the major road is clear and safe for you to enter. On your live driving lessons, your driving instructor will give you advice in relation to vehicles turning into the junction and the dangers of hitting road users from your perspective. So make sure you ask your driving instructor about this.